Greensville Traders, Bubble here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, October the 26th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off in the market here today. So SPX, still an inside month. We got the whole week left for the rest of this month right here. But a nasty down move today, down 64 points. Still green though, so we got that going on. And we're still in the corrective channel here as we broke down below the prior resistance level. So that's a little bit rough here on the market today. We did get a momentum move through that level today. Also the 50-day moving average, and we ended up closing below it today here on the SPX. We are still that we did bounce off the bottom of this this potential bull flag right here. So let's see if we can continue to work our way back up over that. But it definitely messed up some counts right here, so it's a little bit tricky right now. So we could we thought this is a wave 4 done here, a zigzag. It actually could have been the start of a larger kind of move, right? Sort of ABC, and maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We'll see how that goes here. As we head into election season, right? We got big earnings this week, guys. A lot of the big names have pushed their earnings out to Thursday. So let's see if they try to keep this market down for a little bit and then launch it maybe after Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Google all report Thursday after the close. So that should be interesting too. Something to keep an eye on as well. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. So this is what kind of got us on the short radar here this morning. We were pretty bullish, like I mentioned on the lunchtime market update. We were pretty bullish going into the open this morning. We thought there was an opportunity for the gap fill above. We certainly pushed above it nicely. We broke above the downward trend line, gave a nice push right here, and then we started to get a lot of upper shadows off of our signal zone, starting to get us like maybe not. Right, then we had a breakdown candle right here. Boom, got to the next signal zone. Quick retracement down to the next signal zone. Choppy, sloppy. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle. Wave 5 down. Okay, and then we got the bounce finally off of this, 3356-ish level, 3355 signal zone. Gave us a big bounce to the upside right here for a quick move. And we got a little bit of follow through here after hours. So let's see. It was looking a little bit like a inverse head and shoulders here. So let's see how that plays out into the evening. Maybe we'll get back to the scene of the breakdown by tomorrow morning like nothing ever happened. So we'll see how that goes going into tomorrow. Let's hit with the MES. Again, same stuff. So let's just kind of keep an eye on it and see. Let's just put a geometric line right here. Again, we broke down under a major geometric line there today. That was kind of another key indicator here too that the market was looking weak. So we've got this to look forward to going into this evening. So let's see how that holds going into tonight. So that could be interesting there. Let's take a look at the Qs. So the Qs, down about 4 points today, a little bit rough, but they were strong at the open, guys. This got us into AMD at the open, gave us some nice moves. Apple gave a nice move too, and then it just got kind of reversed hard again. Very similar, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle, 5 wave down, and then kind of did this this corrective wave up right here. So let's see if that turns into a bigger move up. The IWM again struggled today, right? The banks were overall weak at the open, so that kind of had us a little bit nervous too at those upper levels on the S&P futures. We see the banks are weak, right? It's tough for the market to rally without the banks, right? And so they kind of brought the market down, the IWM down a little bit, airlines down, right? Kind of same type of setup right here, except that never really got a big rally today, but a big bounce off of the lows today, which is nice on the IWM. Let's take a look at Apple. So this is a good one today. Again, we caught a piece of the short on the inside day down today. There was a lot of other stuff we were doing. We caught a short earlier in Apple, right? Nice inside 5 down. There was another entry right here to get a little momentum move here out of these levels, which turned into a nice trade before they bought the dip on that one to work its way back up. So again, a little inverse head and shoulders right here, kind of perking up into the close. Let's take a look at Tesla. All right, so Tesla, again, big dip buy on this one too. Here's one that is not afraid to squeeze out shorts on this one. So ended up almost turning fully green on the day, but green candle here overall at the 50-day moving average. So still hanging on to this upward trend line. So let's see if I can get a move on with that one. Again, AMD guys, that was just a beautiful move at the open today. Just had relative strength this morning. Gave us a nice pop this morning for a morning trade, and then left with an upper shadow here back at the 50-day moving average. So a couple ones kind of keep an eye on for tomorrow. We got Twilio with earnings tonight. So Twilio believe it gave a nice little pop here. 1 second. Oh, yeah, it gave a huge pop right there, and then back in range, so it's all over the place here. Wow, so something to keep an eye on. We'll see where it ends up tomorrow. Chegg, another one. So Chegg, quick push down right here and a little bit of a dip buy on that one. So something to keep an eye on there too. And again, we talked about the IWM guys. So these are a couple of the weak names today. Again, the airlines were weak. Why? Well, European more shutdown stuff like that in the Europe today, so they just didn't hold that news really well all day today. So those are pretty weak too. And of course, the cruise lines are usually affected by any Corona type stuff. And another one affected by Corona, of course, is DKNG. Right, so DKNG is still working its way down, guys. This has been on the bearish radar for a while. Right, we're definitely below the cloud right now, like we've been talking about every live stream or every video. Right, this thing is working its way down below the cloud here. Maybe gets to the congestion zone, chops a little bit, and then we'll see what it does for earnings. So we've got that going on there, and may as well take a little bit of a look at another kind of Corona name right here. Again, Zoom. Again, Zoom had a nice push this morning, right, and kind of pulled back a little bit. So a little bit tricky right here. This could be your A, B, C type move, and we might actually see a symmetrical move down on this one. So I'm kind of tracking this one very similarly to Zoom, the way I was looking at that one. We'll see how, or to DKNG. So we'll see how that goes on Zoom. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. I hope everybody had a great one. We'll catch you guys on the live stream tonight. Again, thanks everybody for your support. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys soon.